How to move highlights on Instagram. Instagram does not have a direct feature to reorder your highlights, but there is a simple trick you can use. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Here, you'll see your current story highlights displayed in a row above your posts. If you want to reorder them, tap and hold on the highlight that you want to move to the front. A pop-up menu will appear. Select Edit Highlight. Now, go to the Stories tab. At this point, you need to temporarily add a story to the highlight. Scroll through the available stories, select one, and then tap Done in the upper right corner. Once you save the changes, the highlight you just edited will move to the front of your list. You can repeat this trick for any highlight you want to move to the front. Since Instagram arranges highlights based on the most recently edited one, this method allows you to reorder them as needed. That's how to move highlights on Instagram.